When I started with Clear, I felt like I had absolutely no hope and no one was going to be able to help me. I'd lost hope in everything. But after week 1, there was a glimmer of hope. Then by week 3, it grew, 4, 5. And then I started to say to myself, okay, do you know what's going on here? It was so strange. Claire helped me find my core values. She helped me find my voice, and she helped me find what was true about myself, which I never thought I would find. I just expected to come on and be like, okay, I'm going to get my life going in the sense of career. That's what I thought I was going to do. But it's so much more. Like, all aspects of my life were addressed, and it's like the wheel of life. So I went to bed a few nights last week and I was like, oh my God, I can't wait to get up in the morning. And I know that sounds like a real cliche, but my God, I am so excited for the days. Claire showed me how to ground myself, and we set up a support system of how to face overwhelm and how to bring yourself back down to the middle. And to me, that was massive because I didn't know how to do that. I didn't know how to come back down, and I didn't know how to come back up. The only thing that made me kind of a little bit sad through the weeks was I was saying, why have I only discovered this now? The things that I found most helpful were, first of all, you, because Claire, because of the support and the checking in, and if you were having difficulties or you were overwhelmed within the weeks, Claire would just write you a message to say, okay, this is what's happening and this is what we need to do. I found that really helpful because there was times when I was very overwhelmed. But you can expect to see a lot of changes within the weeks that you're going to be very surprised by yourself, and you'll start to feel proud of yourself. Like, okay, maybe I am worthy. Maybe I do deserve that. And there's a lot of tips in there that Claire provides also that can help different aspects of your life. And I really, really like that everything is included. So it's like the whole part of what you need is in one place. You are worth the time and invest in yourself, because you will reap the rewards. Honestly, like, I'm living proof of it. Within 1 to 12 weeks, I met the most amazing people. I connected on so many levels, and there is that bond that will never be broken either, because I'm still in contact with the girls that I was on the group with, and we encourage each other. So I would say take the leap if you think you need the growth in your life, and trust Claire, because honestly, everything is there that you need.